Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about intermediate first year zoology, structure of organization in animals, animal tissue. So in this class we will discuss about vascular tissue or fluid connective tissue. So fluid connective tissue mainly two parts, blood, lymph. So in the blood, plasma 55%, the elements are 45%. So in the plasma, albumins, globulins, plasma proteins are present. So albumins have serum protein. So albumin have serum protein and pressure of blood, it falls, albumin results globulins. So alpha, beta, gamma antibodies. So plasma proteins. So what is plasma proteins? Fibrogen, prothrombin. So we know that prothrombin use clotting of blood and produced by liver. So these albumins, globulins, plasma proteins present in plasma. And what are the elements present in the blood? We will discuss in this class. So blood have two parts, plasma and elements. So we will discuss the plasma particles and this is 45%. So elements have three types. Mainly blood elements have three types: RBC, WBC, blood platelets. So RBC also called erythrocytes, WBC is called leukocytes, blood platelets called thrombocytes. Red blood cells, white blood cells and thrombocytes. So this is very important short notes about the blood cells. So RBC, WBC, platelets. So what is the features of these three cells? First one, synonym. So RBC synonym, erythrocytes, WBC leukocytes, platelets called thrombocytes. Number of cells. So in the RBC 5 million in the men, 4.5 million in women. WBC 6,000 to 10,000, platelets 2,50,000 to 4,50,000, decrease in number. So the cells are decreasing. What happened? Erythrocytopenia, WBC decreasing, leukocytopenia, thrombocytes decreasing, it is thrombocytopenia. If it is increased of cells, RBC increase polycythemia and WBC increase leukocytosis and thrombocytes increase thrombocytosis. Size. What is the size of the cells? So 7.81 by micrometer in diameter, WBC larger than RBC, platelets are small. Shape. RBC are circular and biconcave, WBC spherical or irregular, thrombocytes or platelets are round or oval, biconvex discs. Next, nucleus. Lost during reticulocyte stage. WBC nucleus present, in the platelets nucleus absent. Formation. How the cells are formed in RBC? Erythropoiesis, in the WBC leukopoiesis, platelets thrombopoiesis. Lifespan of the cells. RBC lifespan 120 days, WBC lifespan few days to many years, platelets 5 to 9 days. So what are the functions of the cells? RBC main function, transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. WBC defense, immunity. Platelet cells, leukocytes have two types: granulocytes, agranulocytes. Granules are present in the granulocytes, granules absent. So it is called agranulocytes. A means absent. In the symmetry, we know that asymmetry, acelomate, agranulocytes. It means A means absent. So agranulocyte means absent of granulocytes. Acelome means absent of coelom. Asymmetry means symmetry absent. So agranules means granules absent. So in these granulocytes and agranulocytes features. So granulocytes are 3 types and agranulocytes 2 types. Specific features. So specific granules. Specific granules present in the cytoplasm but absent in the agranulocyte. Nucleus is lobed and in the agranulocyte nucleus is not lobed. Shape of nucleus polymorphic, here monomorphic. So types. So granulocytes are 3 types: basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils. So agranulocytes, lymphocytes, monocytes. So granulocytes 3 types: basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils. So basophils 0.4%, eosinophils 2.3%, neutrophils are 62%. So higher of cells. So basophils main function, it produce heparin, histamine. Eosinophils, it removes antigen antibody complexes. Neutrophils, this is very important, microscopic policeman in our body. These are neutrophils, very important. Next one, agranulocyte. So agranulocyte, it means granules absent. This is 2 types: lymphocytes, monocytes. So lymphocytes are 30%, monocytes are 5.3%. So lymphocytes are 2 types: B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes produce antibodies, T lymphocytes it immunologic reactions. So I prepare a mind map with diagrams of leukocyte white blood cells. So we will discuss this topic. So blood have 2 types of elements: plasma and other elements. So plasma have 55% and other elements 45%. So plasma have water, proteins, electrolytes, gases, nutrients, vitamins, enzymes, hormones, waste. So this is very important mind map of the blood. So water has in the plasma 92%. So plasma have maximum percent have water 92%, proteins 6 to 8%. Next electrolytes, gases have nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, vitamins, enzymes, hormones, waste. Here the proteins are albumins, globulins, fibrogen and prothrombin. So this is the mind map of the plasma, about the plasma. Next, other elements, blood cells. So this is the blood cells. So we know that 3 types of blood cells: RBC, WBC, platelets. So erythrocytes, leukocytes, platelets. So white bloods 2 types: granulocytes, agranulocytes. Granulocytes are 3 types: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. So the nucleus are lobed. So nucleus are lobed and the granules are present. So granules are present. This is very important. Granules are present. Granulocyte. So neutrophils 62%, eosinophils 2.3%, basophils 0.4%. Agranulocyte, lymphocytes, monocytes. So lymphocytes. So this is the lymphocytes 30%, monocytes. So this is 5.3%. Simple table of granulocytes and agranulocytes. So features of the granulocytes and agranulocytes in the WBC. So granulocytes, we know that basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, and agranulocytes means lymphocytes, monocytes. So features, relative abundance, it means amount. So basophils 0.4%, eosinophils 2.3%, neutrophils, lymphocytes have 5.3%, and monocyte 30%. So first of all, we discuss this topic. Nucleus. Basophils irregular lobed, eosinophils bilobed, neutrophils 2 to 5 lobed nucleus. Number of specific granules. So in the basophils fewer, eosinophils many, neutrophils have abundant. Size of specific granules. Basophils have irregular size shape, eosinophils large, neutrophils small. Nature of stain absorbed. So basophils have basic dyes, eosinophils have acidic dyes, and neutrophils have natural dyes. So what are the functions of these cells? So basophils produce heparin, histamine, etc. And eosinophils remove antigen-antibody complexes, role in average relaxation reactions. Neutrophils phagocytosis. So agranulocytes have, this is agranulocytes, lymphocytes, monocytes. So relative abundance, amount of cells 5.3, this is 30%. Nucleus large and spherical. Here in this reniform. Number of specific granules absent. So that's why it is called agranulocytes. Size of specific granules. So we don't know. Nature of stain absorbed. Next function. So lymphocytes main function immunity and monocytes function phagocytosis. So this is the mind map of the blood cells, plasma, and in the fluid tissue mainly two topics: blood, lymph. Lymph. So lymph means from the blood, RBC, large plasma proteins and platelets, we will remove these, we will get lymph. So blood, lymph features, this is the features of the lymph and blood. So color. So we know the color, blood color red. Why? Because hemoglobin present in the blood. Lymph has colorless. So RBC. So WBC present in the blood. In the lymph, RBC absent. WBC present in blood. In the lymph, more. WBC is more in the lymph. Plasma proteins. Normal concentration in blood, low concentration in lymph. So this is the simple features of the lymph. So in this class we had complete blood and lymph. So in the next class we will discuss about muscular tissue. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.